Hey everyone, welcome to another video walkthrough here with 66 Property. Today I'm at the Unique Nimman, right in Nimman area. Beautiful, really nice condo building. You know, it's a high quality building, nice furniture always here. The location is really great. You're walking distance to the main road. You're right next to some great locations, restaurants, etc. This is a 54 square meter unit that's for rent right now. It just became vacant, and we are on the second floor here. There's also a pool here at the Unique. So as we come in over here, we have a kitchenette area with full cooking capability and a washing machine. You have this extractor and a two ring hob, as well as microwave and even a toaster and a rice cooker even. So there's a little bit of extra appliances than just the basics. We've got a nice little dining area here as well, a little breakfast bar, and you know, lounge right here. Pretty big LG TV. I think this is like 50 inches. Let's come over to the balcony. Nice little chill spot. We're away from the main road. So you got a little bit of green going on, which will be quite nice. This is actually the Nimman building. This is the Nimman building right here. So that way is south. All right, let's come back over here. Let me just show you, do a little pan here. And as you can see, Unique I've always liked because Unique has these nice colors, a little bit of brown, beige. It's not like super simple. They do a good job in that sense. Check out this really nice, classy bedroom here. Nice colors again. Really nice bed. Has that kind of luxury feel. We've got laminate floors over here as well, and nice big windows over there. There's even a little work desk and TV, and looks like there's even a little monitor you can use. I don't know whose that is. Maybe, I guess that probably comes with the unit. So over here we have the dressing area. You have wardrobe space right over here. Let me just come up here. Yeah, a little bit storage up there as well. And wardrobe space here, and then we're into the bathroom. Again, really nice. You know, check out doors like this. You know, it gives the place a much more of a classy feel. You got a bidet bathroom as well, which I think is really cool. Also something that is more rare and just shows you the quality that's been put in into this unit. You know, these bidets, they're not cheap at all. Then you got a little bathtub here, and with frozen glass, clouded glass, letting in some light, which is a nice touch as well. Again, you got these really cool shelves here, and kind of gives you this Lana style feel. And here you got the shower area as well, so with a raindrop shower. So yeah, let me just go back out. If you're interested in renting this place, please do get in touch with us. It's pretty nice. And it's also nice with a separate bedroom here. So it's really great for couples as well. And there's a pool and a fitness room here at the at the Unique. So you know, it's quite a modern place. Location wise, there's some really great restaurants around here. You're walking distance to one of my favorite breakfast places called Larder. And there's so many places here, but location wise this is really great. You can walk around, you don't even need a motorbike. Alright, thank you for watching this video, and get in touch with us. Check out our website, 66property.com. Have a great day.